Hello friends, welcome to TechNuggets. Today we will discuss about comments in Python. So let's get started. Comments are used to explain code and make it more readable. It is ignored by the Python interpreter and do not affect the execution of the program. Python supports two types of comments. First, single line comment and second, multi-line comment. Let's see an example of single line comment. Single line comments start with hash character. Now let's see multi-line comment. Python does not have a specific syntax for multi-line comments, but you can use series of single line comments or triple quoted strings. This is an example of multi-line comment. Here we have used series of single line comments to create multi-line comment. This is also an example of multi-line comment where we have used triple quoted strings. Now let's see what is a docstring. Docstring is a special kind of comment used to describe the purpose of a function, class, or module. This is an example of docstring. Docstrings are written using triple quotes and are placed immediately after the definition of a function. It's all about comments in Python. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to TechNuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.